Sanjay Tripathi is a film and television producer and director. A graduate in physics from Delhi University, Mr. Tripathi started his career as a science journalist with India Today Group's magazine Computers Today. Apart from his regular documentary assignments for international channels, he recently wrote and directed the critically acclaimed and award-winning Hindi feature film Club 60 and is presently writing and producing an upcoming medical drama for a leading television channel.
Coming from journalistic background and making documentaries, it was somehow I was trained to get the research inputs and use it in my production. But I will share one experience which I had, and I realized that how important it is to get a technical expert's opinion and how it can enhance the emotional content of your film or anything. So my recent experience with my film is Club 60. When I had written the script, I gave it to a psychiatrist to read it. The reason was that the Farooq Saab's character in the film had to come out of depression. So he was going through a depression and he has lost his son, and he had to come out of depression by the end of the film, has to fall back in love with life again. And he has taken it very badly, and the wife, which is being played by Sarika, she has rather taken it a little strongly, and she has joined hospital and she's working. So I just wanted the psychiatrist to advise me that whether this progression of Farooq Saab's character of coming out of depression has been dealt with correctly or not. Then she suggested me one thing which I added in my film. She said, you know, when these couples, when they lose their child, and one of them goes into depression, the other one suffers from a severe guilt. And why don't you put a scene where the mother asks that why I'm not suffering from that depression. And I had that scene where Sarika ji asks the psychiatrist and says that why he's under depression and I'm not. Did I love my son less? Now that was such a poignant scene which really enhanced the whole thing, and perhaps I could get a good scene for my film. And in many screenings, whether in India or abroad, a lot of people came and told me that, you know, they have been through that kind of experience, and some relative, some friend, or somewhere they have lost this, and it was exactly the same feeling they had gone through. So I think it is that empowerment for a filmmaker or storyteller to, when you interact with such experts, they give you that kind of input, as I told you in this case. And there have been so many examples and many other things, but I think that the sense of empowerment which a person gets, you get that the drama from very unexpected quarters, because you have a very limited vision in the sense that whatever your experiences have been. So when this kind of value addition comes from an expert, the whole vista, the whole dimension increases, and you get something really, really important and which really enhances the merit of your storytelling.
My question is to Sanjay Tripathi, sir. You were talking about Club 60, which is a wonderful film, and I just wanted to know that your bonding with Farooq Sheikh, ever you have felt like a superstar directing a star at that level?
Farooq Saab के बारे में जितना भी कहें कम है, but I think he was a legend actor, but also a very fine human being. And one association which I had with him was we both were great foodies, and we used to venture out and to various food joints. And I still remember he called me one day कि आज हम जरा नूर मोहम्मदी चलें, and we went to Noor Mohammadi Hotel, and he rolled up his sleeves and we were having muttons and chickens. And one thing he told me which I always remember, कि Sanjay Saab, the film which we are making, we don't have item dancers in it, we don't have big stars in it, we have taken just we actors. So you always remember that, you know, we have to be very particular about what we are saying, because सफ़ेद कपड़े पे दाग जल्दी नज़र आता है. So that is one thing which I always remember, and that is the great thing about this man, and it's a great legacy. That's all I can say.